Hello, Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I'm on the beautiful island of Castaway Key, and I am about to enjoy a jet ski. Follow me. Hi. Hi, Oshi. How are you?
I'm good. How
We're
are you
here
guys?
to check in for a 2 o'clock jet ski.
Jet skis? All right. I just need your tickets.
Okay, perfect.
And these forms.
All
There we
right,
go.
so we're going to fill out these forms and then we're going to go for a ride. It's a
And-
beautiful day.
Oh, yes. Turn left. You want to turn right? Turn right. But while doing so, give it just a little bit of gas, okay? If someone is moving too slow for you, it is perfectly all right for you to come on the outside of the formation, kind of around that person. 17? Jody and Judson. Jody and Judson. Number 7, guys, right there.
Fire your bikes back up. Continue following me. Let's see if we can have a good time back here.
I literally lost her hat.
I know after all that riding, your hands start to hurt. Their bite gets big like that, or some biters could fit around your wrists without even touching.
Yeah, he said it's a land craft.